Hello students, this is my most important question series of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Plants 8. So here we will discuss the different questions which may appear in the exam. So the number is 36. Question is endosperm is consumed. Endosperm is consumed. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryo. Developing embryo in the seed of A option, that is coconut, B option castor, C option pea, and D option maize. So in this question, very important thing is that endosperm is consumed, means no endosperm is there. So this is non-endospermic seeds. We have to find out endospermic seeds. So the correct answer is the P. Then 37 number questions. Male gametes in angiosperms. Male gametes in angiosperms. Male gametes in angiosperms are formed by the division of A option, that is microspore, B option generative cell, C option vegetative cell, D option microspore mother cell. So we have already discussed this thing in our general class videos. So male gamete in angiosperms are formed by, so you know that after development of male gametophyte, the vegetative cells behaves as the tube nucleus, and the generative cells gives rise to two male gametes. So here the correct answer is generative cell. Then 38. Which one of the following is surrounded by? Which one of the following is surrounded by a callose wall. A option, that is microspore mother cell, B option, that is male gamete, C option, that is egg, and D option pollen grain. So important thing here we have to discuss is what is callose wall. So callose wall we can write, that is beta 1,3 glucan, and it has very significant role in angiospermic or reproductive biology of angiosperms, and it is the temporary wall. This is temporary wall outside, and really which prevents particularly cohesion and fusion. You know that the particularly microspore mother cells divides to form 4 number of gametes, or we can tell the pollen. So here what happens, so this separation, cohesion and what fusion will be avoided by this callus. So the correct answer is microspore mother cell. So question number 39. The arrangement of the nuclei. The arrangement of the nuclei in a normal embryo. Arrangement of the nuclei in a normal embryo sac in the dicot plant. In the dicot plants is A option 3 plus 2 plus 3, B option 2 plus 3 plus 3, C option 3 plus 3 plus 2, D option 2 plus 4 plus 2. So it is clear that when we see the structure of the embryo sac, 3 antipodals, and here the egg apparatus contains 3, 2 synergids, 1 ovum, and 2 at the center, the polar nuclei, which forms the secondary nucleus. So the correct answer is 3, 3. So for that upper 3, then 2, then 3. So we can write here, this is 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. Then question number 40. What would be the number of chromosomes? What would be the number of chromosomes? What would be the number of chromosomes in the cells of the alluron layer in a plant species with 8 chromosomes in its synergids. Option A 24, B option 32, C option 8, D option 16. So here we have to underline, that is the number of chromosomes alluron layer, and it is given in synergids. Synergids means haploid. Here N is given 8, and alluron layer is the part of the endosperm. So we know that in endosperm, this is triploid condition is there. So we have to multiply 3 into 8. So this is 24 is the correct answer. So this is the part 8, and then we will see the part 9 of this question series.